Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your Nintendo account and that it's linked to the console you'll use. Once done, sign in on the Switch or via the Nintendo website. Make sure the account country matches the card region. Keep the 16-digit online card code visible and your Wi-Fi connection stable. If you have a PIN or two-step verification, have that ready so the process doesn't stall. This gets you immediately into redeeming without obvious setup delays, and it prevents region and verification errors. You now redeem the code. Open the eShop on your Switch, select your profile, then choose Redeem Code. On the web, go to Account Redeem Code. Type or paste the full 16-digit sequence. Check for similar characters, O versus 0. After submitting, watch for the confirmation screen showing the amount added to your account balance. If buying an item immediately, choose it and confirm payment using your Nintendo balance. This step both credits funds and ties the value to your account for future purchases. You finish by selecting the game or subscription and choosing Nintendo account balance at checkout. If insufficient, you can combine with a credit card. Once purchase completes, download starts automatically. Monitor progress in Home Download Management. If the code shows invalid, pause and verify region and that you entered each character correctly. Scratched or partial codes are common issues. If funds never appear, have the card receipt or order email ready and contact Nintendo support. They can trace redemptions and resolve holds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.